Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging, and here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, we are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be working on HP Officejet Pro 9025. We're going to be showing you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to your printer from a computer, and everything comes out just fine, but as soon as you're going to make a copy or a scan of a document, you start getting blemishes or lines, anything like that, it's going to indicate that there's something dirty with your scanner glass. So in order to clean it, we're going to use your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. And if you notice on this machine, there's two different ways you can copy or scan. You can either use the top document feeder, or you can use the flatbed scanner that's on the machine. If you're using the top document feeder, there's also a little strip of glass on the left side of the printer. That's where the document feeder actually scans. So when you're noticing your blemishes or your lines, if it's when you're using the document feeder, then you're going to want to focus on this little strip of glass on the left hand side. If it's when you're using the flatbed scanner, then you're going to want to really focus on this big piece of glass, and that takes up most of the scanner. In our case, most of our problems we're noticing when we're using the top document feeder. So we're going to focus on that little strip of glass on the left hand side. So we're going to take our glass cleaner, we're going to apply it to our cloth. You never want to apply any kind of cleaner or liquid to the glass. It's really easy for that liquid to seep underneath the glass, and it can cause a lot of other issues. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. And then we're going to come over, and like I said, we were noticing the problems when we were using the top document feeder. So we're going to really try to focus on this little strip of glass on the left side of the printer. And we're looking for any kind of ink, whiteout, tape, anything like that is really common to find on here. It can all cause little issues. So I just want to make sure it's good and clean. After you wipe it down, kind of look it over, see if you see anything. There's still a little bit of something there. And then once you're happy with it visually, we can kind of move on. But while we're here, go ahead and wipe down the flatbed scanner. These things are really prone to getting fingerprints and things like that, so it only takes a few seconds to wipe it down, just to avoid any other issues. So overall, I'm happy with the way that looks. So what I'll do now is I'll close the scanner, and then after you finish cleaning the glass, I recommend running a couple extra copies or scans just to verify that everything's coming out much better. If you're still getting a faint line or a faint blemish, there's still probably just a little bit of something left on there that's kind of hard to see. So just go back over the glass one more time, that should take care of it. But other than that, you should be back up and printing.